Hey. I love you. Cuckoo gaga, cuckoo gaga. Do it. Say it, cuckoo.
Hello viewers, Assalamualaikum. Welcome back to my channel. This is Sinia Hossien and I am going to share with you guys another vlog video, and it's one of my weekend vlog videos. And this was recorded on a Saturday, and we went to a store that my family owns, so I am going to share some video clips from that. So keep on watching and enjoy. So guys, before we came out, we had lunch, and our lunch today was at my elder sister's house. So here is some food that we ate today. So guys, we're going toward the stores, and this is one of the store, and we'll be going to another store that I haven't seen yet, so I'll be seeing it for the first time, and you guys basically see it with me too. Aren't you lucky? I'm just kidding. So I stole some things from here. Yeah, like I got those rings, and I believe that you like it too. So now we're going to the other store, and I got some coffee, and here is that. We're about to go inside the store. It took pretty long time to come here though, because it was far away from our house. So guys, finally I am going to that store for the first time. So this is the store, and it's like one-stop mini market kind of shop, and you guys will see what things that I got from here. I will show you guys. So looks like I did not record what I took, but I can literally tell you I took some sunglasses, like 2 of them, and I got a t-shirt, I got some of earrings and a purse, and I thought it was pretty cool. So guys, after that we went to a place that my brother-in-law took us, and it was a nice place, and we went there for the first time. So I am about to show you guys that. So guys, now we're going back home again, and we're going to my elder sister's house again, and she ordered pizza for us already. So time to eat, and we ate all those pizza that was there, and it was so good, guys. So guys, I'm going to stop it right here, and I hope you all enjoyed it, and please stay well, stay safe, stay happy, and keep loving me forever. And don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. So see you in my next video. Bye. Allah Hafiz.